What if I told you that you could triple your sales by using just 3 tools? Facebook ads, email marketing, and a rock-solid sales funnel. This isn't just theory. It's a proven approach I've seen work time and time again for businesses. And here's the good news. You do not need a massive budget or complicated tech to make it happen. The reality is most businesses aren't seeing the results they want because they're missing one or all of these 3 key components. They're either not generating enough awareness, not nurturing their audience effectively, or lacking a clear system to convert leads into paying customers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring these tools together to create a funnel that works. With Facebook ads, you'll cast a wide net and bring in fresh leads. With email marketing, you'll nurture those leads into trusting customers. And with a simple yet strategic sales funnel, you'll guide them step by step towards a purchase, all on autopilot. If you're ready to stop guessing and use a system that's built to deliver results, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a proven roadmap that's helped countless businesses and can help you too. Let's dive in. If there's one mistake I see over and over, it's businesses underestimating the importance of awareness. Let's be honest. No one can buy from you if you don't even know your business exists, right? But here's the kicker. Awareness isn't just about shouting, "Look at me!" It's about creating interest and showing your audience that you can solve their problems. That's how you cut through the noise. I've noticed that the companies who consistently succeed use what I call value-first marketing to create awareness. Instead of focusing solely on selling, they focus on offering something tangible upfront. This could be a free tool, a helpful guide, or even a webinar packed with insights. For example, I've seen companies in industries like fitness crush it by offering a free 14-day home workout plan as a lead magnet. That upfront value hooks people in and builds trust at the very first touchpoint. But awareness is only the beginning. Once someone knows you exist, what comes next? Without a clear process to guide them toward becoming a customer, that initial interest fizzles out. And this is where a sales funnel becomes non-negotiable. A funnel doesn't just generate individual results, it creates consistency. From my experience, the best funnels work like this. Facebook ads drive traffic and create awareness. Lead magnets start the conversation, and email campaigns build relationships by offering ongoing value. Each stage works together as a part of a system to turn passive interest into active customers. The businesses that master this don't rely on luck or one-off campaigns. They know that a system, one they can tweak, optimize, and scale, is the key to dependable growth. Imagine no longer scrambling to generate sales, but instead having a system that works for you around the clock. That's the power of this approach. In the next section, I'll break down exactly how to build a sales funnel that works, one step at a time. Now that we've covered why awareness and a funnel are non-negotiable, let's talk about how to actually create one. A sales funnel isn't just random collections of tactics. It's a step-by-step journey that guides your audience from simply hearing about you to becoming paying customers. From what I've seen, the most effective sales funnels consist of 3 essential stages. Top of the funnel, awareness, middle of the funnel, which is nurturing, and bottom of the funnel, which is conversion. Let me walk you through how it works. Top of the funnel is your first interaction with potential customers, and the goal here is simple. Get their attention and pull them into your world. Facebook ads are perfect for this stage because of their incredible reach and targeting options. When paired with a lead magnet like a free ebook, checklist, or a how-to guide, your ad isn't just asking for attention, it's offering something of genuine value. For example, I've seen B2B companies offer 10 email templates to boost your cold outreach as a lead magnet. It's hyper-specific and solves an immediate problem. Your ad serves the first hook, and your lead magnet is what gets people to act. Once someone downloads your lead magnet or opts in, they're showing interest, but they're not ready to buy yet. And here's where the nurturing comes in. You need to build a relationship by demonstrating your expertise and earning their trust. This is where email marketing shines. Over a series of automated emails, you can share insights, success stories, or quick wins that keep the conversation going. For example, if your lead magnet was about cold outreach templates, follow up with an email titled, "How to Personalize Your Outreach for Better Results." Give them value. Show them results, and by doing so, you naturally position your product or service as the next logical step. And now comes the exciting part. Turn those warm leads into paying customers. This happens at the bottom of your funnel, where the timing is everything. By the time you present an offer, you've already built trust. You've showed them your value repeatedly, and now they're ready for the final step. But this doesn't mean hitting them with a hard sell. Instead, I've seen businesses succeed by offering something that feels like the natural next step in the journey. For instance, a software as a service company might upsell the full version of their software after a free trial, while a fitness coach might offer a paid membership after delivering several free workout tips. The beauty of this system is that it can run on autopilot, with Facebook ads driving leads and email marketing nurturing them automatically. Your funnel becomes a self-sustaining machine that works for you and your business 24/7. And here's the best part. Once your funnel is working, you can refine and scale it. In fact, I've seen businesses double their sales just by optimizing one small part of their funnel, like improving the lead magnet or tightening up their email call to actions. But before we dive deeper, if you're finding value in what we've covered so far and want to keep learning alongside me, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps me reach more people looking to transform their businesses just like you. If there is one part of the sales funnel that I've seen repeatedly deliver results, it's email marketing. While Facebook ads are fantastic for creating awareness and driving traffic, emails are where sales are built. Why? Because email is personal. When someone chooses to open an email from you, they're inviting you into their space. That's a level of attention you can't get from a social ad alone. Let me share how email marketing works as the backbone of a high-converting funnel. The first step is the welcome sequence. Imagine this. Someone downloads your lead magnet, clicks your ad, or signs up on your website. What happens next? The first email they receive is absolutely critical. It sets the tone for your entire relationship. A powerful welcome email should do three things. First, thank them for signing up and deliver the lead magnet you promised. Second, introduce yourself or your business, highlighting how you can help them solve their problem. And the third one is setting the right expectations by letting them know what kind of future value they can expect in their inbox. As an example, for a business offering marketing templates as a lead magnet, the welcome email might say something like, "Hey, Quinton, thanks for downloading the 10 templates to improve your outreach. In the coming days, I'm going to send you more actionable tips and strategies to take your sales email to the next level. Stay tuned. I've got great stuff for you." This positions you not as someone who's here to sell, but as a trusted partner in their journey. Once they're in your funnel, your next priority is building trust. And one of the best ways to do that is through storytelling. People don't connect with faceless businesses. They connect with stories, values, and human experiences. For example, I've seen businesses share how they were inspired to solve a problem based on their own struggles. One campaign I worked with used an email that told the founder's story of starting a business after losing a significant amount of pounds. That email didn't just perform well, it created emotional buy-in, resulting in much higher open rates for future emails in that sequence. Another fantastic strategy is sharing customer results. Case studies and testimonials prove that your product or service gets real results. And here's the key: make it relatable. The more the audience can see themselves in the story, the more they'll trust that you're the solution for them as well. But consistency is everything when it comes to email. Each email should provide value before you ever ask for something in return. This could be anything from actionable tips and insights to behind-the-scenes looks at how your product works. For instance, if you're selling software, send emails that explain insider hacks to save time with your tool, even before someone's invested in your paid plan. Every email should leave the audience feeling that their time was well spent. The value builds familiarity, and familiarity breeds trust. Finally, the goal of your sequence is to lead them gently towards a purchase. However, the transition shouldn't feel abrupt. Instead, connect your offer to the consistent value you've been delivering. Frame it as a natural extension of what you've been helping them with. For example, if your lead magnet was a guide to effective cold emails, offer a course that provides more in-depth training. You've learned how to structure better emails. Now let me help you double your response rates in just 30 days with my step-by-step system. By the time the offer is made, they already trust your expertise, making the leap to purchase significantly easier. One of the critical tools at this stage is segmentation. Not all leads are the same. By using a CRM, you can track who opens your emails, clicks your links, or show interest in specific topics. From there, you can tailor your messaging even further. For example, sending special discounts to your most engaged subscribers or re-engagement emails to leads who've gone cold. The beauty of email marketing is that it keeps the lines of communication open. Even if a lead isn't ready to purchase immediately, they'll stay in your ecosystem, and when the timing is right, they're much more likely to come back to you rather than a competitor. In the next section, I'll show you how Facebook ads can amplify your efforts at every stage of the funnel, bringing more leads in the top and retargeting those who need a little nudge. Alright, we've covered a lot so far. From using Facebook ads to generate awareness, to leveraging email marketing to build trust, and creating a sales funnel that turns interest into conversions. But here's the thing, none of this works if it just stays an idea in your head. The key to success is taking action. So let me give you a simple action plan to get started. Step 1 is to create your lead magnet. Think about your audience. What's something you can offer today that solves a specific problem they're struggling with? It could be a guide, a checklist, a free mini course, or even a discount code. The goal isn't to sell upfront, it's to start a conversation by delivering something of immediate value. For example, if you're in the fitness space, create a free 7-day home workout plan. If you're in software as a service, offer a 14-day trial or a short ebook. For example, 3 ways to simplify your workflows in 10 minutes. Keep it simple, valuable, and relevant to your audience's pain points. Step 2 is to set up your sales funnel. Once your lead magnet is ready, build the infrastructure to support it. Create a landing page where people can sign up and download your lead magnet. Connect it to your email marketing software and set up a simple 4 to 5 email sequence to nurture those leads. These emails should do 3 things. Build trust by offering value and insights, share stories or case studies that highlight your expertise, and gradually guide your leads toward your paid product or service. Remember, your funnel doesn't have to be perfect from day one. Start small and improve it over time as you see what works best. The third step is to launch your Facebook ads. At this phase, it's time to bring people into the funnel. Use Facebook ads to promote your lead magnet to a targeted audience. Start with a small budget, let's say somewhere between $5 to $20 per day, and test different ad creatives. Monitor your results and adjust your targeting, visuals, or messaging until you find what performs well. Scaling comes later. Focus on testing and refining initially. And that brings us to the fourth step, which is optimizing along the way. A successful system isn't built overnight. Check your analytics regularly and pay attention to the data. Are your ads generating clicks but no signups? Tweak your landing page. Are your emails not getting opened? Test different subject lines. Are people dropping off without converting? Tighten your calls to action or refine your offers. Every small improvement compounds over time. Over several iterations, even small adjustments can lead to significant results. What makes this plan so powerful is that you're building a system that works for you around the clock. Once your funnel is up and running, you're not just relying on word of mouth or hope. You have an intentional strategy that creates awareness, nurtures leads, and converts them into customers, all while giving you the flexibility to adjust and scale. I want to leave you with this. This process may sound complex, but it's not about being perfect. It's about getting started. Most businesses fail not because they don't have the perfect system, but because they never take that first step. Before you go, make sure you check out my lead generation playlist for more actionable strategies to fill your funnel with quality leads. And if you're worried about the pressure of doing all this without burning out, watch my video on managing burnout to help you stay consistent and motivated. Let me know in the comments where you're starting on this roadmap. I would love to hear about your progress. Until next time, and remember, consistent action leads to consistent results. Let's make it happen.